Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add audio to Google Flow Video. Alright, so let's begin with the video. There are two ways to do it. First method is using prompts to generate audio. To begin, open your browser and go to the official website of Flow. Here, click on this Create with Flow button and sign into your account using your Google account. Once signed in, click on this new project. This will open the main creative workspace where you can write your prompt and generate your video. Before entering your prompt, make sure you're using a model that supports audio. Click the model option inside the prompt box and select VO3 quality, VO3 fast, or VO3.1. These models can generate videos with sound. Now write a detailed prompt describing both the visuals and the sounds you want. If you want background audio, mention it clearly. Once your prompt is ready, click the arrow button to generate the video. Flow will process your request and create a video with visuals, background sounds, effects, or dialogue based on your prompt. After the preview is ready, play the video and listen carefully. If the audio is missing, too quiet, or not what you expected, edit your prompt and make the sound instructions more specific. Then generate the video again. For second method, download your generated video. Once the video has been downloaded, open any video editing software such as CapCut or Wondershare Filmora. Create a new project and import the video that you downloaded. Once the video has been added to the timeline, click on Import again and select the audio file that you want to use. Add the audio to the timeline below your video. After that, adjust the position of the audio so it is properly synchronized with the video. You can trim or move the audio if needed to make sure it matches the visuals perfectly. And that's it. So that's basically how you can add audio to Google Flow Video. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.